how to set up a Google Ads account in 2023. So this is a full and complete guide. So if this video helped for you in any way, please subscribe to this channel and click on that bell icon as well, so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So I am going to show you on how to make your website or your content have ads in Google. So let us go now to our Google Ads. So you can go here through the link or type in googleads.com or ads.google.com, and in that way you can be here in this homepage. But of course, what we need first is a Google account. So if you don't have any Google account, or if you have one, just sign in and make one if you don't have. So let us get started with this tutorial. Alright, so we are here on our first step. So we have we are being asked with a business name. So if you don't have, actually you can just continue, but for this sake of the tutorial, let us type in a fake or an example name. And also, if you have a URL to your website, just type in or fill it out. So I have here my YouTube channel as my link or my website for my promotion of my, or it will be the website that I will use for Google Ads. So click on add or link if you want to add some other websites to your Google Ads. So let's go here, and also you can see here different campaigns, and then here you can also choose the campaign that you want. So you can choose whichever campaign that you want, or the one campaign that suits your content. So let us go and see if we choose these options right here, and you have actually many options for your campaign. So you can have the telephone or phone numbers or the emails, page views, and each type of campaign actually has different steps. And for this, so you can see page views, and this option has different types or steps. So it depends on you if you have or what type of campaign that you are going to use. So you can also skip this, by the way, and once you have skipped, you will be directed to a page like this. So in a page like this, you will see your YouTube link up there, and also you can choose the options right here for your YouTube account. And for me, it is my YouTube account, so you can also choose this one, but I don't want this one because I am applicable to the YouTube account. And after that, you can choose here, and also there are a lot of additional information for you to set up. So I am going to use this one for the most popular one. So let's go back on what if we have chosen a campaign here. So if we have chosen a campaign here, this is what we would see. So basically, this is a setup or a detailed setup of all of the ads that you want to display. So you can see it here in YouTube, in Gmail, and in Google, and in the other websites that is offered here by the Google Ads account. So as you can see here that my ads is incomplete because there are no images, videos, and URLs and things like that. So what we need to do is go here and check, and then you can add photos here. So I will show you on how to add a photo. So you can have it in your library or in a website, or you can also upload a photo from your computer or from your Google Drive, so it will be an easier tasks for you. And then if you want to add more, there is more options here. So let us exit that, and then here you can also add some from your Google account or Google Drive, or from your computer. So this is very straightforward. and if you have added some things, it will not be incomplete anymore. So you can also go here and check for some templates for your video. If you don't have any videos in the present, or yes, in the present, that you want to promote for your YouTube channel, you can just create one, and Google Ads have created a template for you, so you won't be having a hard time creating or creating a setup for your Google Ads. So in here you can also change the headline of your ads. So I will show you and type some example text for you guys so that you will see, or in the preview section, that it is changing. So as you can see here in the Google Ads account, you can see that the headlines have changed. So that is also your target market or target audience would see for your ads. So moving on to the other parts. So there it is, it has the preview option or feature. So you can type in some or descriptions of your video in this section. And also you can have your business name right here. So for example, I have my business, so I will rename it as my business, just for the sake of the tutorial. So you can also choose it here. So I have chose my button here for subscribe. So as you can see here, it is the subscribe button. And also you can see here on the preview on how your ads are going to look like in the future once you have created your ads and created and finished creating a campaign for your ads. So just input and make sure that there is no section that was left behind that was not filled out. Oh, as you can see here, I had a warning because I have a section not filled out. So you can just go back and you would not miss it. Okay, so let us go back and see if what would happen if we have chosen the path that we have skipped. So don't worry guys, because this is the same as well as the other one. There's just some additional details just like the ones that I have shown you, so that is why I am showing you both of the sides so you would not get confused and when you are creating your Google Ads account. So in here you can also set your date for your Google Ads account, and as you can see in the left corner, we have a lot of changes in the steps in creating a Google account. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will set a price here for the ads. And also in here, this is very straightforward. You can just type in some URLs and type in some web pages or type in your accounts. And also you can have a bid here. You can bid the amount or the exact amount of your website or your Google Ads, so you must pay for it. So you can just explore it guys. So right here you can have or type in some text here and also you can have the checkbox in here. Just check the ones that you have or the ones that is applicable to your website or your Google Ads or your YouTube channel. As for me, it is a YouTube channel, and in here you can bid for the amount. After that, you could create your campaigns. After creating your campaign, you would be redirected to a page just like this one. So in this page, this is just the final step. It will help you in creating and finalizing your Google Ads account. So just choose a payment method so that you would pay for the ads that is going to be published, and that's it. You have successfully created your Google Ads account. So I hope this tutorial will help you, and I hope you have a good journey in your Google Ads, and thank you for watching.